You may have heard of the Book of Mormon, but you might be surprised what it's actually about. On the surface, it's a 1,000-year account of a great civilization. But at heart, it's about individuals striving to learn of and follow Jesus Christ. It begins in Jerusalem around 600 BC when a prophet was warned by God to flee the impending destruction of the city. He and his family are guided across the ocean to what is now the Americas. The people grow and eventually divide into two great nations who have times of war and peace. Their lives can inspire you to have faith in Jesus Christ, keep his commandments, and serve others. The Book of Mormon contains holy words of prophets who testified of the coming of the Savior. It confirms the truths of the Bible and witnesses that Jesus Christ is the Son of God, that he lived, died, and overcame death and sin for each of us. That's why it's called another testament of Jesus Christ. In fact, the crowning event of the book is the visit of Jesus Christ to the people in the Americas after his resurrection in Jerusalem. He teaches his gospel, heals the sick, and blesses their children. But that's just the beginning of the story. The real impact of the Book of Mormon is how it can help you with the challenges you face today. You can find comfort, direction, and learn how to be a better and happier person. Most of all, you can grow closer to your Savior, Jesus Christ. Download the Book of Mormon app today.